The numbers are staggering. Latinos make up nearly half of all confirmed coronavirus cases in California and nearly a quarter in Illinois. In New York City, more than a third of all COVID-19 victims are Hispanic.
Just close your eyes and put yourself in a country where you don't speak the language.
Amid the pandemic, an efficient meeting with a doctor can be the difference between life or death. But for some Latinos or other groups with limited English skills, that's not always so simple. That's where Gina Padilla Quintanar comes in.
If it weren't for our voices, they wouldn't know what was happening to them. They couldn't understand.
She's been a Spanish interpreter at Zuckerberg San Francisco General Hospital for 15 years. Many of the COVID-19 patients she helps are low-wage immigrant workers.
Children, moms, dads, grandma, and they're all living in one or two rooms. When they start the interviews, you just realize that they're all sick.
Many hospitals rely on third-party services that provide remote phone or video interpretation. But even on-site interpreters like Padilla Quintanar are increasingly helping patients on the phone.
The human touch, just holding someone's hand or putting your hand on someone's shoulder, you can't do that over the phone.
Some hospitals are still prioritizing in-person interpretation, even for COVID-19 patients.
These patients are so sick and that they cannot really speak at a very loud or even, you've got to really listen to be able to hear their voices. And then on top of it, you're doing it through a video iPad that's about 6 feet away from the patient. So the interpreter said, no, we're part of the clinical team. So this is when our patients need us the most.
Carla Fogeren's team of around 100 medical interpreters in 9 Massachusetts hospitals put their own health at risk every day to assist patients who have been isolated from friends and family due to the virus.
They feel like they owe it to the community and they owe it to their clinical colleagues to be present.
Ben Chamisso, Newsy, Chicago.